Hi there everyone, welcome to iPad Essential. In this video, we will talk about how we can take screenshot in our iPad. Not only that, we will also show you how you can set up screenshot shortcut in your mouse. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here you can see I have got this iPad. In order to take screenshot in iPad, it is actually pretty simple. You simply need to press this power button and then press any volume up and volume down button. So I'm gonna press this power button and then volume up and down. There we go. Here we can see we have just taken a screenshot. Now that will be saved in our gallery. Let's say you want to do more customization with it, then let me also record my screen so that I can show you this in a more better way. So again, I'm gonna press these two buttons here and there we go. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna press it and then here you will see different options to edit or customize your screenshot. For example, here you can see I am trying to crop it, and you can also annotate it if needed. As you can see here, I think I need to use my pencil. So in this way we can also annotate it, and then we can click on share and then you can share it with any of your colleague. Now after pressing done here, you can also save it to photos, and in this way guys we can save this screenshot. And then the photos is here, and then we can see this was the screenshot that we have saved. Now let's talk about our method number 2, where we're gonna define the screenshot shortcut in our mouse. So this is also pretty easy, and since we are talking about having a shortcut in our mouse, I believe that you already have paired your mouse to your iPad. If not, then you can check out this video where I have shown you how you can set up your mouse with your iPad. Not only that, we also spoke about how you can define shortcuts in your mouse. So screenshot is also one offset shortcut, and since here again in my screen I am using mouse, so let me quickly go back here and then I'm gonna go here in settings, and in setting you need to go down in accessibility, and in accessibility let's go to touch, and here we need to go to assistive touch. Then let's go here on devices, and then here I'm going to select my mouse, and then here you can see I have defined certain shortcuts. So we need to click here on customize additional buttons. After that, here we need to define the button which I'm gonna use as my screenshot shortcut. So I'm gonna press this button here, and here you can see in iPad the screen changes. Now from here you can see that I have defined this button for control center, but now I'm gonna make it for screenshot, and there we go. We have chosen this button for screenshot. Now I'm gonna go back here, and now let me show you the magic. Okay, so here is the iPad, and if I press this button, here you will see I was able to take screenshot in just a click. Isn't it cool guys? So in this way we can even define screenshot shortcut in our mouse. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essential to follow more such tips and tricks. And then we also make a lot of videos around iPad. Thank you guys for watching this one. See you next time. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.